The Brookland is one of our larger designs from the Prestige range. The Brookland has 4 bedrooms and boasts 413 square metres of living space. It has a wraparound veranda that completely surrounds the house on all sides, with an alfresco area included under the main roof at the rear of the house. The Brookland features 9-foot ceilings and has an open-plan kitchen, living and family room, plus a generously sized rumpus room which includes a large storage cupboard. There is a separate lounge greeting room at the entrance of the house, a study, a big laundry, a walk-in pantry in the large kitchen and a walk-in robe and ensuite off the main bedroom. The Brookland looks great on acreage, with plenty of room for entertaining and would suit large or extended families. Select from one of our many standard designs, change anything you want, or guess what? We can design your dream home from scratch. We offer a full home design service. Let us design your new home. You'll be amazed how flexible we really are.